Hey guys, how's it going? So this one is a 2009 Toyota Corolla automatic. So I'm going to change my alternator. Why? So this one is 2.5 Ks in it. Step number 1, removing the negative terminal out of the Y. Step number 2, prime this one, take this one out. $10mm socket, remove this nut. Step number 3, removing the socket. Press here, pull it out. So you have to remove 2 bolts. One is on the top here. There is another one on the bottom here. This one is 14 mm. Alright, 14 mm. So 13 mm socket, just loosen it, do not removing it, okay? Lefty loosey. So these settings, you have to loosen it, lefty. Now you can see the alternator is going towards the front. Now you can see the belt is loose now. You see that? The belt is loose. So the alternator is going that way. Alright? So you have to loose it a bit more. So you have to loosen this nut up to here. Do not remove it and push the alternator back. Alright? Maximum. Now you can see the belt here. The belt is loose, and just removing the belt out from the alternator pulley and just keep it on the side. Alright? There you go. Now you can remove this bolt. Okay, so this is the setting you have to put into this one and tighten it. Alright, so when you remove the bolt, remember that. So removing the alternator, so you have to just lift up the setting from here. So before that, you have to make a mark, from here, so where it has stands to. So I'm just making a mark like this. All right, just like a mark. You see that? Because it has to be, on the same spot. Okay. Now you have to use a 12 mm spanner to just lift this one up like that. That's it. And tight it again. Okay. Now the alternator is free now. Now you can just remove it. Just like. Okay. Just prime it out from here, because this one is stuck here. So just prime it and just like that. Yeah, like that. Have a look. Gently. You can just pull it out. Just figure it out and just take it out. So this one is the alternator. You can see Toyota Denso. So this one is the part number here. So this one you have to remove from here. This one is for the wire harness. Okay, and we have to just put it here. So we're going to put that in. So you hold it here, gently put it here this way and put it here. This one going here. You can see that. Did you see that area? This one has to sit here in between. Yeah, gently. All right, now it is sit here. Now you have to put the bolt here gently in here and move it righty tighty. Oh yes. Just gently move it here and there, and that will go into that. All right. Loosen it. So there is a marking here. We just mark it before here. Okay. Just align that marking here. I mark it before. Align that. Yep. Then tighten. Okay. Good. Now, so this one, the settings, I'm going to put it here through that hole. All right. Now the belt time. So this is the belt here. Just like this. We have to go to this pulley as well. Yeah, that's it. Make sure it's everywhere. It's in the compressor, it's in the crankshaft pulley, and in the alternator. All right, now you have to tighten it. So this one, we have to tighten it. All right. Okay. So we are just tightening the belt. So you have to righty tighty this one. So you can watch it. The alternator is coming this way. Okay. Now you can see there is not too much play now, but still a little bit play here, but that's perfect. So when we start it, we can see is there any belt noise or something. We can tighten a little bit more. Okay. Finally, the wiring time. So this one is going here. Okay. Cool. Oh yes, 10 millimeter bolt. No, the nut here. The socket, you have to put it here. Yeah, that's it. The work is done. And the negative terminal we're putting back home. So the new alternator is returned in my Corolla, so we can have a look at the charging. All right. It's in the wall here, from positive on the positive here, and the negative is here. Look at that. It's 14. So make sure it is between 13.5 and 14.2.